Hello everyone! I would like to show you how to create the layout of the seal or stamp with the help of online stamp maker mystampready.com. First and foremost, you have a chance to choose it just from the templates. So choose one of the templates which is the most suitable for you. Afterwards, you should enter your data by changing it here. In addition to this, you can choose the color which do you need. After all these operations, just click Download Layout. Here all is so complicated. Moreover, you can create your own stamp. Firstly, choose the form, round, triangular or square. For example, I would like to create round stamp, so I should click here and select diameter, then press Create. For the beginning, here we can add the circles. Also, we are able to regulate the radius and stroke width. Let's add some text around the circle. Well, now we are ready reducing the radius. Change the color. After, make a spacing and a moving relatively start point. And choose the font. Also, we can make bold font, italics or inverted font. In addition to this, we could add text here. And one more, but upside down form. Besides this, we could insert text not only in a circle but also in the center, moving it horizontally and vertically. And logo, that means image. You're able to select from existing ones or you can download your own ones if you have a logo in CVG format. The next step is choosing elements which are given above. If you want to delete something, just click on the small cross. Furthermore, there is an opportunity to add elements like these sticks, placing them in a circle. Or, for example, to underline something. You can save the stamp layout by pointing out your email address. In this case, you will get a link to the layout or download a ready-made one. That is all. Thank you for your attention.